Hey, what's up guys? This is Eddie with WTI, and if you're looking for a great gift for your wife or your girlfriend who loves to work out, I highly recommend this bottle right here. Now this is half a gallon of water container, but it's pretty cool because it's got a strap that you can just put on yourself, and it also has a lot of storage for your keys, for your cell phone, for maybe a debit card or whatever else she wants to take to the gym. Now, I bought it for my wife and she absolutely loves it. She no longer takes a backpack to the gym. She just carries her water bottle. She's got her headphones. She's got her chapstick. She's got her belongings in it. And she absolutely loves the freedom of no longer having to worry of taking a small backpack or a duffel bag or where you're gonna put it at. She's got everything in one container. So, happy wife, happy life. That's what I say, right? She absolutely loves it. I think it's one of the best purchases we've ever done. Another cool feature about it is got a retractable straw. So if you don't want a straw, you can just remove it and just drink straight from it. Just like that. So this is a great product. It's too pinkish for me, but for the wife, it's absolutely perfect. And that's my point of view.